welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have some Gritti fragrances. We have a discovery kit that I got from So Avant-Garde, and I wanted to come to my family and let you all know my thoughts, and if there's any that you all want me to do a full review on, I will. I got you. Let me know down below. So first, Gritti is an Italian house, and so I have always wanted a Gritti fragrance, and I have a few samples that are coming from this brand or from this house, and I really want to dive into it more to see what am I really checking for to add to the wish list or to add to the collection, right? I said we were going to get into a lot more samples on this channel because this is over purchasing full bottles and it not being worked out. Not like the blind buying thing. Even though I will have my times, there will be times where I do blind buy something, but I really would prefer to sample and test before purchasing. Anyway, we have some cool names on this, I will say, from this house. I have Kill the Night, and let me know down below if you have any of these fragrances. Because I'm free, okay. Beyond the Wall. Ooh, what's Beyond the Wall? And then You're So Vain. Ooh, you probably think this song is about you, don't you? Don't you? Yeah, just had to do that. So Kill the Lights, we have a leather aromatic woody smoky green herbal balsamic fragrance. That's with Fragrantica is giving us. So we have Divana, we have some Jupiter leather, some pink pepper, some Gaiac wood. Okay, so before I test this, because this is my first impression, I'm sorry if you did not get that. This is my first impression. And so if you all want to get my full thoughts on the fragrance, I'll be back. Let me know. But sometimes, a lot of times, my first impressions are kind of my lasting impressions. But let's see. I am thinking, I'm scared. But I do like leather. So I have gotten to, right, liking leather. We've talked about this before. Pink pepper, giving me a spicy flair. But that Divana, Jupiter, that's giving me green. I'm like, the green and woody. Girl, what a fruit. But it did say it was aromatic. We got, okay, just go. Aromatic, woody, and leather. Ooh, this is giving me probably man vibes. It sounded like a man. Oh. What? Okay. Oh, I don't want to test it on skin, but I'm going to test it on skin. Ooh, I don't want to, though. I don't want to. Ooh. Oh, I didn't want to. I didn't want to. Oh, no. And it's in a purple bottle. Yeah, you right. Kill the lights. Kill the lights. Kill the... Yeah, kill everything. Everything. Lights, furniture. Okay. Wow. Nah. That's definitely not for me. I don't even know who this is for. Is this for... I don't even know who this is for. Is this for a man? What? Who would I put that on my skin? See, I just can't. Now okay, fam. Let's talk about this real quick. Now, if I test it on the strip and it's not looking good, I'm gonna stop right there. Okay? I don't even think I need to go further. Like, what do you think? Like, I don't even feel like a sister has to prove that she don't lie. You know what I'm saying? This is not for me.
Hate it.
No. No. Kill the Lights is not my vibe, but it's my color. It's my favorite color, not my vibe.
Stinks. It stinks. It stinks.
Girl, I don't even know who vibe this is.
I hate it.
It sucked, Bobby.
Okay, you said who is he? I don't know him. I don't know him or her. So if you know him or her, if you know somebody that like that fragrance, that's who it's for. Cause I'm gonna have to take a whole shot. That is no. Oh my gosh. I don't like that at all. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. Oh. So next up we have Because I'm Free. This looks like maybe it's more my speed. We have a sweetie white floral, fruity, tuberose, caramel type of fragrance. We have candy fruits. Okay, you're speaking my language. We have almond blossom. We have some petitgrain. I don't know about that. Tuberose. We got some banana flower. Okay. Jasmine, caramel, vanilla, amber. Okay, banana flower. Cool. I can get with some banana flower. Because I'm free. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I feel like I'm smelling that other one everywhere. Oh no, that's that one. Okay. Ooh, okay. I'm sorry. Because I'm Free. Let's see. Ooh. I'm free. Free from the lights. Or what's this? The killer lights. I'm free from the killer lights. Killer lights. Oh, yes, I'm free. Yeah. Sometimes you just gotta make up a song to get you through when the lights go out. To get you through your night lights. Night lights. Okay, I like that. Okay, I can get with that. Okay, let me put that on skin. Let me see. What's she doing on the skin? Okay. Ooh, that banana flower and that candiness in this. Oh, that's good. That's a great. Oh, that's like a really good, like, unique fruity fragrance. Ooh, that banana flower though is doing it for me. You can smell the banana flower even though it's in the mid notes. That candy and banana flower is blending really good. And then that, oh yes. That caramel, that vanilla. Okay. Yes. I would add this to the wish list. This would definitely be a wish list. Good. I love this. This is really good. Okay, I'm gonna put this over here. Okay, we got one winner. Okay, let's keep it going. So next up we have Beyond the Wall. So Beyond the Wall is described as a powdery latonic, okay, violet, herbal, musky, aromatic, warm, spicy, woody type of fragrance. Okay. We're talking my language. So we have some ginger in this. Oh. Red sign. Okay, red alert. Ginger's making me nervous. Violet, maybe not as much. Artemisia, is that how you pronounce that? That looks a little green. Okay, black tea. Oh, black tea now. Okay, milk. Iris. Milk can go, okay. We'll see. White musk, sandalwood, and cardamom. Okay. I can't lie. I'm a little nervous about this. Just a little bit. Yeah, I'm just going to spray. You right. Just spray it. You right. Okay. Beyond the Wall. Do you want to be beyond the wall? Yeah. Mm. Not as bad as Kill the Lights, but you're on the wall. Let's try it. Okay. That black tea is very black tea-ish. Yeah, it's very herbal. Yeah. So the black tea is not doing it justice, I don't think, for me. The Latonic, no. The ginger, no. No, this is not my speed. Who would this be? Man or woman that likes a very herbal, milky, floral fragrance. That's what I'm gonna say. That's all I got. Okay, milky, herbal, floral. It's given, I don't want it. Yeah, I wouldn't check for that. Now, it's not as bad as the Kill the Lights, but I'm not ready for that. This is not my scent profile at the moment. I would not be checking for Beyond the Wall. I would be staying on the other side of the wall, and I'll be perfectly fine. I love these names, though. Moving on. Last but certainly not least, we have You're So Vain. Now this is in looks like a black bottle. It's fruity, citrus, green, aromatic, fresh, spicy. Okay, so we have lemon, grapefruit, green notes, black currant, red fruits. Okay, white tobacco. Wow, what is that? White tobacco. That sounds interesting. Oak moss. We have nutmeg. Ooh, okay, and patchouli. Okay. This is giving me like a citrus fruity greenness. Like, what's up with the green people? Like, it just, okay, let's see. Just spray it. I know. I'm going. I'm spraying. Okay. Let's see. Is this my, okay. I didn't even do the tester. I just went for the skin. I just went straight for the skin. It's chaotic first impression. Okay. Just how we like it. I'm definitely getting the citrus, like high in lemon. Okay. So definitely lemon. And then I do, in the background, am getting the berry. Red berries make, okay. Makes sense. Berries, period, right? Okay, that makes sense. And then just green. Okay, so that's what I'm getting. I'm getting a citrus, heavy on the lemon. I'm getting berries, and I'm getting the greenery. Now, would I pick this up? Yeah, no, I would not be, I wouldn't be checking for her. Sure wouldn't. But is she bad? No, not by a long shot. See, this is what I'm saying. When you're getting into these houses and you're testing them, Gritti, they're beautiful bottles. They look like rectangular, cute. And I'm going to get some more, but not everything's gonna be floating my boat. Like I think the only thing about this fragrance, and someone else may love this, and is this giving me more like leaning feminine, or like this is, I feel like a man, woman can wear this, especially because it's giving me this green note. So if you don't mind a fruity, citrus mint, then yeah, you can rock with this too. But what's kind of throwing me off is that lemon, I feel like, has the lemon and the mint leaves. Like, I feel like lemon and mint leaves are in this fragrance. Like, not just the lemon alone. Not like you squeezing the lemon. You put the whole lemon. You put the skin and the leaves. that it was hanging on from the tree, the lemon tree. So that's kind of giving me, I don't want to say pine cleaner, but it's like, it's giving me, it's like cleaner, pine cleaner, but then it's like berries, you know, but I'm gonna put the fruit on it, you know, like this. So, you know, like if you have somebody that's musty, and then they put on a fruity fragrance, but they're musty.
What's my food? You stink. What do you mean I stink? You stink. Why don't you go take a shower?
That's what it's giving me. Like, you cleaned the house, but you woke up, you didn't take a shower, right? You cleaning the house, you're musty, you didn't put deodorant on, cleaning your house, but then you decided to put on like a fruity berry type of fragrance. That's what this is giving me. I know it doesn't sound amazing, and if you have that, you're like, girl, your description. Okay, fine. You want to talk about my fragrance? Okay, like this is what I am getting from this, but I feel like somebody might vibe with this, right? Your skin might bring out the berries more than the lemon that I'm smelling. Okay, so either way, I can't convince you otherwise. It's just my thought, right? I'm just trying to convince my mind of you really don't like it. Okay. So ranking wise, for real? Okay. I'll do it for you. Okay. Did we really need to talk about this? Definitely kill the night. Yeah. I don't even want that. Okay? No parts. Not going beyond the wall. That would be third. No, thank you. That Latonic, like, I'm getting more black tea, getting more herbal with that, right? You're So Vain. That musty type of is, yeah. But the lemon, the berries, I would say number 2 if we had to do a 2, right? The only one that I loved from this discovery set was Because I'm Free. Okay, this would be one I would add to my wish list. I really enjoyed this one. So that is my thoughts. Do you have any of these fragrances? Have you sampled anything from this house or any of these fragrances? I would love to know your thoughts, what you get on your skin, because again, our experiences could be totally different, and I am absolutely 100% okay with that, because I'm only talking about my experience. But if you were looking into it and we kind of vibe the same, like the things that I like, you're kind of liking, I tell you what you're not gonna like. So that is all, family. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.